So here we have a quick video on island construction. A lot of times we will design and render kitchens with these types of end panels that are actually built on site using 1x3 and 1x6 trim. And then there's a 2x4 wall and back panel that are built for additional structural support. And it also allows you to cut in an outlet on the side without affecting the functionality of the drawers. So we can make these end panels in basically three pieces, one on each side, and then we can provide the backer panel completely finished and ready to go. That can be expensive. Those will typically cost anywhere from $6,000 to $8,000 for those. But a more cost-effective way to do that is to provide 3/4 inch, half inch, or even 1/4 inch paneling and then trim it out on site. And so you can see how this was constructed. You've got a 2x4 wall in back, 2x4 walls on the sides. Actually, these have been notched down a little bit with this particular design. And then what we've done here is they've used a 3/4 inch panel and then started by trimming out the corners with 1x3 and 1x6. And you can see the miters there on the corner. So you get a nice tight look. These are not finished pieces. This is just something that we are building out of trim that we had on site. And then what will happen is we'll send in our finisher to spray this for a clean look so you don't see any nail heads and things like that. Really what you should be doing is when you have finished trim that we send out, you should have your carpenter attempt to blind fasten from behind before these panels are put on. They can screw through the back so that you don't see any of the nail heads or anything for a nice finished clean look. When you do that, you always want to start with your corners because you can have your mitered corners come down to the floor, and then you can run your trim into those corners so you don't have any butt ends showing, and that's going to give you the cleanest look possible. But you can see this is how those island end panels are constructed.